Hi, welcome to How to Install. I'm Therese. Today I'd like to show you how to set up access codes. This could be a door code, a Wi-Fi code, a safe code, or anything else that you'd like to get sent to your guests on the morning of their stay. First thing we must do is click on extensions here and then scroll down and make sure we have the access code extension installed. Click install extension. It confirms it's now installed and ready to be used. Now let's go back up, go to accommodation, and we can now see access codes on the left here. Click. Let's add our first code. Click add item. Choose the unit it's for, the Willow Creek in my case. Name what the code is. This is the door code. And now enter that default door code. Save. We can see we have the door code. My Willow Creek Lodge also has Wi-Fi. So I'll click add, select Willow Creek, call it Wi-Fi, and I'll enter that Wi-Fi code. Click save. We now have two codes for Willow Creek Lodge, a door code and the Wi-Fi. But now we need to set up getting these out to our guests on the morning of their stay. So what we do is we go to account and we go to customized emails. Now if you haven't set up a customized email, I'd recommend watching my customized email video. That will make more sense when we go ahead and do this bit. If you've made a couple already, then we now need to click new customized email, and it's for the contactless check-in. That will automatically go out on the morning of our guest stay, and we'll make sure that those door codes are in there. Type in the subject. Your check-in details is great. Now let's go ahead and build that email. I like to start with the header, and then I like to put Dear with their title and their last name. And now this is where we have to enter the magic tag that has the access codes in. So I'll scroll down to the right here and look for that magic tag, booking summary with access code. I will highlight all of it. I will copy it and then I'll paste that into my email here. Let's have a quick preview. Save and preview. Now we can see what it looks like. Here's the email we've just designed. Again, this is just dummy information. When the email's actually sent out to your guests, it will contain all of their exact booking and all of the codes that we've created. If we're happy with the way that's looking, then go up and ensure that this email is active and will be sent out to customers. Click save and exit. Now, one more thing we have to check is if we go to account again and we go to guest experience, we must tick enable contactless check-in. That means that contactless check-in email we've just created will automatically be sent to our guests on the morning of their stay. So they have the information and the codes that they need. And we will click Save Changes. Let's do that one more time. Let's set up some more access codes. So we go to accommodation again and we go to the access code settings and we add another item. This time it's for another unit. Urban Nest Loft. This is the door code and I'll enter it here. And click Save. Now you can see we have the Willow Creek with door and Wi-Fi and Urban Nest with door. Urban Nest has Wi-Fi. Let me add that. Add item for the Urban Nest Wi-Fi. Now enter the Wi-Fi code and click Save. Now every time on the morning of a guest stay, they'll be sent that contactless check-in email that we designed with their specific details and these codes in. But how about if we wanted to provide separate door codes for each booking? To do that, we go to the unit and the door code and click edit. And here we'll list all of the upcoming stays that are booked. We can enter a new door code for each stay if we wish and click save. If we're happy for the default code to be used, then we don't need to enter anything and that will be sent out to them on the morning of their booking. If we need to change the Wi-Fi code, again, we can just click edit and we just update the Wi-Fi code here. If there's separate Wi-Fi codes for each stay, this is where we'd add them for each confirmed booking listed here. I hope that's helped you to get access codes installed, to create the access codes, to create the contactless email that automatically goes out to your guest on the morning of their stay, and to make sure that we've activated contactless emails in the account, guest experience, enable contactless check-in. Thanks for watching.